How do I use search filters effectively in EBSCOhost? If you want to make your research process smoother and more efficient, knowing how to use search filters in EBSCOhost is key. Let's break down how you can do this step by step. First, start with clear search terms. Think about the specific keywords that relate to your topic. The more precise your terms are, the fewer irrelevant results you will encounter. Next, take advantage of the advanced search option. This feature allows you to enter multiple search terms in different boxes. You can also select specific fields to search within, like subject, author, or title. This helps you target your search more accurately. Once you have your search terms ready, apply some basic filters right away. Just below the search box, you will see quick filters. For example, check the box for full text to ensure that all your results include the entire article, not just a summary. This saves you time by giving you immediate access to complete content. Another important filter is the peer-reviewed option. Selecting this will limit your results to scholarly articles that have been evaluated by experts. This is often a requirement for academic assignments. You can also set a publication date range to find the most recent studies or information that fits your assignment's needs. After applying these basic filters, you can explore additional options by clicking on All Filters or Limiters. Here, you can filter by source types like academic journals, magazines, or newspapers, depending on what your research requires. You can also narrow down articles by specific subject terms or even by language if that is important for your research. If your research focuses on specific demographics, you can filter by population or age groups, especially in specialized databases like PsycInfo. Another powerful tool is using Boolean operators. In the advanced search, you can combine filters and keywords using operators like and, or, and not. For instance, use and to find articles that include all your keywords, or to find articles with any of your keywords, and not to exclude certain terms from your search. Once you have filtered and found relevant articles, remember to save them to your personal EBSCOhost account if you have one. This helps keep your research organized and easy to access later. If you find that you are getting too many or too few results, do not hesitate to adjust your filters or search terms. You can broaden your publication date range or remove some filters to increase results, or add more specific terms to narrow them down. By systematically applying these filters, you can efficiently sift through large amounts of information. This will help you focus on high-quality and relevant sources that support your study goals. Using EBSCOhost effectively can save you time and improve the quality of your research.